Hi, my name is Veronica Sherba and I'm a product training coordinator here at Wellness Living. Today I'll be showing you how to enable custom gift card amounts on the Achieve Client app. Currently, if a client goes to purchase a gift card on the Achieve app, a drop-down menu appears with preset amounts. The functionality for inputting custom amounts has not been enabled. To enable this function, let's head over to the client web app and turn it on from the backend. Now that we're in our Wellness Living account, let's start by heading over to our app drawer at the top left corner and selecting Setup. From here, we're going to go and select Store Configurations. And since our focus is on gift cards, we're going to select gift cards from the menu bar on the left. You'll see a few pre-created gift cards already appear on our main page. So to enable the feature, just select the one you would like to allow clients to purchase custom amounts for. To keep it simple, let's select Deep Tissue Massage Gift Card. Once in the configurations page for the gift card is selected, you'll see two options below checkout. Allow custom amounts at checkout and use only predefined amounts at checkout. The latter is set as the default. But to enable custom amounts, simply select Allow Custom Amounts at Checkout and hit Save. You will see a confirmation message appear at the top. Now, when we return to our Achieve app, let's navigate to the store in the center of the bottom menu bar. And we're going to select that Deep Tissue Massage gift card. Now, a toggle will appear that allows for custom amounts. And that's it for this training video on allowing clients to enter custom gift card amounts on the Achieve app. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.